right, good morning, everybody. As I was telling you before the commercial break, the rain line gradually nudging its way off to the north. It's been rain for most of the morning down in Somerset and points down to the south toward the Tennessee state line, okay? But farther north, yes, it's been falling all the snow. Lighter farther north, heavier just to the south of Lexington. You work your way into Richmond here and south of 64. This is where the heaviest snow has been. Richmond, Berea, Irvin, even to Beattyville, Campton, West Liberty, and Salyersville, over to Paintsville. Moderate to heavy snow here for most of the morning. That goes back even to the west here. Parts of Lancaster, for sure, Danville, Stanford, and Harrodsburg. There's that rain-snow line, though, nudging in. It's now over to a cold rain, but rain in Mount Vernon over to McKee and into Boonville right now. And that continues farther to the south. Now, you'll see the pink on here. It's the radar trying its best to decipher where's that rain and snow line setting up based on temperatures. But I'll tell you, it's been rain here all morning. It is, and it's not going to change back over as warmer air continues to work its way off to the north. We'll show you the temperatures right here. 33. But still snow in Lexington, 30 and snow in Flemingsburg. To the south, cold rain and 33 in London. In Williamsburg, it's 32, 34 in Monticello and Somerset. Winter storm warning for all the pink shaded counties, and that winter storm warning here remains in place until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, no, it's not going to be snowing heavily and continuing from now till 7. What's going to happen is that gradually is going to be shutting off, but late tonight, we could see actually some freezing drizzle, a possibility for some of us. It's if the temperature can get back down to 32, and that could create some slip travel into tomorrow morning or overnight. Winter weather advisory farther to the south that expires at 11, but really it could expire before that because that zone is already going over to rain, and there is a flood watch in this part of the state, down to the south, southeast through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. 1 to 2 inches of rain could happen there, okay? That is only going to lead to potential for some flooding issues. Rain line keeps drifting north. This is by lunch. It's very close to Lexington at that point. Then it keeps going north. I think it actually does lift north of I-64 as we go into the latter part of the afternoon and evening. And then watch what happens. As we go later tonight, the steadier rain and snow are ending, but then some showers or some drizzle set up. Question, will we be able to get back down to 32 to see that mix with a little freezing drizzle? Best chance for that would really be near 64 into the north. The further south you live, I think that freezing drizzle chance is much smaller. Potential snowfall through today. Remember, to the south here, we've already seen it change over to rain. So no more snow. This is already what's happened. Sharp cutoff to 0 to a few inches by the time you work your way up into Mount Vernon to several inches in Richmond. Then you get further north of 64 and you're talking 1 to 3. Yeah, there may be a spot on the high end of that 3 or maybe a local over 3, but generally speaking, the best zone to see more than 3 inches, 64 inches south there, where we've already seen more than that. I saw a picture short time ago, a viewer sent it over on my Facebook page in Richmond, nearing 6 inches of snow, and that was at 8:15, and it is still snowing to beat the band there. But you will change over to rain, Richmond, in the next few hours. There's that 1 to 2 inch rain swath down to the south. So here are the highs today. I expect everybody to go above freezing. It may take a while to get there, Flemingsburg, Cynthiana, Carlisle, but it'll happen. And it may just be 33 by just a smidgen to the south, upper 30s, low 40s. Here comes tonight, though, what I'm going to show you. See that 32 degree? Yeah, we could get some freezing drizzle late, but down to the south, it stays above freezing. 7-day forecast. Improvements tomorrow. All right? This is good to see. We like to see it. We're going to be into the 40s, upper 40s, and some low 50s tomorrow. The morning would be the chance to see some drizzle, maybe still some slick spots, especially to the north. And then by late tomorrow, we're talking about more rain.